Dinarasal yung Hail Mary. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of your womb. Sabi ni John Paul II, literally and symbolically, the center of the Hail Mary is Jesus. Let us not forget that. Sabi ni St. Louis Grignon de Montfort, all devotions are useless if they do not lead to Christ. Yun ang true devotion to Mary. Closer to Christ. Leading to Christ. Our Lady somehow, parang silently bringing us to Christ. Sabi rin ni St. Louis Grignon de Montfort, ito, magandang challenge ito sa atin, ha? Sabi ni St. Louis, nagkaroon daw siya ng vision. Ano yung vision na nakita niya? Each Hail Mary that is not well said sa rosary are like roses. Roses that the devils trample on. Kapag not well said. Pero pag each Hail Mary that is well said is like a rose that the angels take to Mary. So yung Hail Mary, let us be careful with that. Hindi naman yung kailangan na napakabagal na Hail Mary or napakabilis. Kung ano yung rhythm ng puso natin. Obviously, mahirap pong mag-rosary na mag-isa. Yan yung trick doon. That is why we have to pray the rosary as a family. O kanina, ito po no, when I came here, I thought I am going to touch you, your heart. Presumptuous. Kaya yun ang mark ng hindi totoong devotion to Mary, presumptuous. But when I saw you praying the rosary kanina, and I joined you, I suddenly felt, I came here to be touched by Our Lady as well. This evening we are here, not simply because it's a regular gathering, because Our Lady calls us to be here. She wanted you to be here. You and me. To listen to her. So I can only speak so much about her. The better thing is to speak to her. Speak to her. Alam niyo po, thankfully enough, pagkuha din ito sa Philippines, International Image of Fatima, I accompany her. One time po, I was in New York with the image kasi they wanted me to see. Kita niyo naman. Kaya po masarap dumidikit kay Mother Mary na you go places with her. So they wanted me to experience kung ano paano ang reception ng mga Amerikano with to Our Lady. And they warned me, Father, hindi to Pilipinas, so do not be shocked. True enough, pupunta kami sa isang simbahan. Ganun pala doon, yung konti. Pag dumating kami, when we arrived 30 minutes before the schedule, there was no one around. Not even the parish priest. Kailangan eksakto kami dumating. And when we came, hindi wala pa yung table na ganyan. Hahanap ako sa isang sulok ng table at lalagay ko doon. Parang, anyway, iba-iba ng culture. Anyway, one time po, yung image ng Fatima, lahat naman yung image of Our Lady. One time, it was brought to a parish in the US. Alam niyo naman po yung image of Fatima, di ba? Lalapit ang tao, isa-isa. Do not touch her, she will touch you. Yun ang sistema doon. Unlike sa relics sa St. Therese. One time po, it was brought in a parish, nung kinukwento to sa amin. Yung isang tatay, may problema yung family nila na tatay. Nung nakita daw niya yung image na nasa isang church, he decided to enter and pray. So like the rest of the crowd, he fell in line to venerate the image of Our Lady. Nung nakalinya na siya, na nangyayari ng time to time, nag-sound yung kanyang mobile phone, yung kanyang cellphone. Tumunog. He was a little bit embarrassed to So inok niya, and he saw, registered sa name, one of his children trying to contact him. So inok, he was sure of. When he was already in front of the image of Our Lady, believe it or not, it rang again. Ano doon na naman nakaregister yung pangalan ng anak niya. So he turned it off again. Kasi alam niya, off na. Kung kailan nasa harap siya, kneeling before the image. So out of embarrassment, they just left the church and he went home. The next day, he returned, kasi po may committee na nag-handle ng travel. He returned to the committee to tell this story. True story po ito, ito kwento. Bakala niyo, mapagawa ako ng kwento. The man said, the father said, when he returned home, that the child who was trying to call him asked him, Father, or Dad, whatever, why is it that you were not responding to my phone call? And the father said, I could not. I was in church. People were praying. Then again, the child continued, but Dad, but why is it the second time? You remember the second time? He was kneeling before the image. But why is it the second time? Someone answered the phone. And the father was perplexed. No, I could not answer it. I turned it off. The child insisted, no, someone answered the phone. So the father said, ask the child, who was it? And what did that person tell you? The child said, it was rather funny. It was a voice of a woman. The woman did not even say hello. The woman simply said, do not worry. Everything will turn out good. And she hung up the phone. Mysterious things, miracles, miracles still happen. They still happen. In the book of the Genesis, you remember that, the Proto-Evangelium? Genesis 3:15, our Lord said, after our first parents fell into sin, I promise you enmity between the woman and her seed. Woman, Mary, and her seed, Christ, against the seed of the serpent. And the seed will crush the head of the serpent. You know, we should insist on this. Our Lady will never allow the devil to have the last say. Never. That is why I think in my heart, why our Lord, in His mysterious plan, when CFC was divided into two, Our Lady will not allow the devil to have the last say. The devil is the father of all lies and of all division as well. That is why our Lord, in His mysterious plan, decided when we were divided, the CFC, the restored CFC, is to be consecrated to Him. Because she will not allow the devil to have the last say. Our division into two will not end in that.